Welcome to South Fort Chevrolet. We are located at 10109 89th Ave in Fort Saskatchewan, Alberta, just outside of Edmonton, Alberta. We are looking at a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 four-wheel drive with Crew Cab, 3.6-liter V6 engine in silver ice metallic. As you can see, it's got the Z71 badge, fog lights in the front, running boards in the sides, and you got steps for the box, trailer hookups on the rear, and opening the box, got box liner, again black running boards. Moving inside the back, you got power window in the rear, got your jet black cloth and leatherette seating with gray insert, you got cup holders that fold down, and the seat folds up here with a latch, storage under there, got USB hookups in the middle. Moving in the front, you got power windows, locks and mirrors, four-wheel drive switcher there, along with your headlights, again jet black gray cloth leatherette seating, power seat. On the steering wheel, you have cruise control and your voice activation and hands-free settings. Got navigation in your infotainment, comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, OnStar on the mirror, and you got heated seats, your climate controls, cup holder and center. Thank you for watching this video of the 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Z71 four-wheel drive Crew Cab with 3.6-liter V6 engine and silver ice metallic. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video on YouTube. If you'd like more info, give us a call or check our website.